Welcome to the final segment of our Pandas module, where we shift our focus from creating data frames manually to working with real-world data files. There is a format for sharing tabular data is the comma-separated values, or CSV file. Understanding how to interact with CSV files is a requirement for any data scientist. 1. What is a CSV file? A CSV file is a plain text file that stores tabular data. Each line in the file represents a data record, and each field, or column value, in the record is separated by a comma or another delimiter. This format is simple, universally compatible with most data tools, and highly efficient for storing large datasets. 2. Pandas and File I/O. Pandas is the bridge between your text-based CSV files and the powerful DataFrame object. It provides highly optimized functions for reading data from external files into a data frame and for writing a data frame back out to an external file. 3. The Core CSV Functions. We will focus on two main functions. To bring data in, we use pd.read_CSV. This function reads the data and returns a data frame object. To export data, we use the DataFrame method .to_CSV. This method writes the data frame content to a specified file path. To summarize, CSV files are crucial for data exchange. Our next lecture 36.18. Read data. See you there.